Welcome to day 3 of CookMas. Yay! Don't mind the background. I have guests. So, bienvenue à notre 3e jour nous en CookMas. Okay, like I said, we're gonna spend the next days until Christmas. We're gonna cook one recipe each day. So this is day 3. C'est 3e jour nous on a fait un plat par jour jusqu'à Noël. So aujourd'hui c'est day 3. So avant même que m'entrer dans la vidéo, avant même que commencer, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I have my brother about to walk by real quick. Say hey. So hey, oh my god. I have guests today. Yeah, I have guests. So yeah, what are we cooking today? Today, we are making Haitian food, just regular schmegular Haitian food, my way. Okay, so aujourd'hui, today, nous allons faire Duri kole avec chicken. Duri kole avec chicken. Is that okay with y'all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. JD, do you even eat Haitian food? Wait, this is the chicken. C'est cuisse poule avec Duri kole, poids déjà fin bouilli, so on va le nettoyer maintenant puis on va commencer à manger. So let's get started. We're gonna leave the skin on because I love the skin. So just cut. God.
I bet you like it.
Now we're gonna add some salt, just some regular salt to clean this, okay? Don't ask why. That's how our ancestors do it. That's how we do it, okay? We gotta clean our meat. We clean our meat up in here. Fuck no nettoyer bien, okay? Add some salt, some white vinegar. And citron. Whatever so again. Citron orange sur. Just use that. Okay? Alright, so I hate them. They come. Les plus facile pour retirer yo après ou fin chaudé vietnam. After you've put the hot water in here, it'll be easier to remove. But if you can just take them off now, just go ahead and do that. But I usually wait till I put the hot water in here and then I take it off. Alright, so alright, so what we did l'eau chaud sous vietnam. This is hot boiling water, not just hot sink water. No, this has to boil. Okay, so just pour it on here. All right, and make sure to bien la couvrir. Make sure the like every piece of chicken is submerged underwater. Okay, and leave it for a few minutes and we'll be back. All right. Okay, so this is the secret to all Haitian food. Épices. This is life. Okay, so my épices is different. I only added garlic, habanero pepper, salt and olive oil. That's it. This is spicy. You see how much seul piment qu'il a là. Seul piment avec l'ail, anti-sel avec olive oil. So that's very spicy. That's what AJ likes. So this is for AJ. All right. This smells so good. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more salt, and because I want to be extra, I'm gonna add the Jamaican jerk spice. All right, some oil, a little bit. Okay, so mixing this together. This is not gonna take long to cook. Okay, like I said, I'm cheating today. Oops, sorry. I'll add some maggi. Don't come for me, okay? Nous fin tremper viande là, qu'on est allé sur du feu. M'kal quickly. Okay, that's the. Show you guys. The beans has already been cooked. I will show you guys how to do that. So now, add the beans to the oil. Be careful, it's popping. So the beans have been cooking, well, frying, I don't know, anyway. And now the secret ingredient. Coconut milk. Try it. Coconut milk. Just add coconut milk. You don't have to add the whole thing. And then give it a good mix. I'll stir. And then give it a few minutes, like a couple of minutes, and then we'll come back to it. L'eau qui te bouillie point, n'a just vidé dans ça. Alright, so guys, malheureusement, baguette en fini vidéo, j'aime de le finir là. But this is the best part of it all.
Say that in French. How about that?
Yeah, so this
all right, guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and give me some love. I know it was a little crazy, but because I got company, but give me some love, okay?
Right.
Peace. See you tomorrow.